So, you're ready to adapt to a ketogenic diet to lose weight and improve your health. You've come to the right place to make any big lifestyle or diet changes can be challenging, especially at first when there are a lot of new routines to learn. Dramatic results are so worth it. What's the best way to get started with a ketogenic diet? Here we'll outline 3 steps to keto success. But first, let's define what a keto diet is. Simply put, it is a high-fat, low-carb, low to moderate protein diet. By drastically restricting carbohydrates in your diet, the body will enter and sustain ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns a highly efficient alternative fuel called ketones. Not only does the keto diet help with weight loss, but current research also indicates that it can help to improve health conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease to start your keto journey off on the right foot. Here are our top 3 key pieces of advice. Eat the right foods. Eat the right amount of those foods and prepare for the keto flu. Let's start with food. Your goal, on a consistent basis, is to replace carb-heavy foods with keto-friendly foods. This will help you eat fewer calories than before and help jumpstart and sustain ketosis. You will need to focus on meat, high-fat dairy, and healthy oils, leafy greens, and above-ground vegetables, nuts and seeds, avocado berries, and keto-approved sweeteners. You'll need to entirely avoid grains, sugar fruit, and starchy vegetables. For more information, see our video Keto Cooking Keto Food List for plenty more information on what to eat and what not to eat on keto. You'll be relying a lot more on home-cooked food than packaged, processed, or prepared foods. It's important to note that you don't. You have to figure out how to do this on your own. There are so many resources on Ruled Me, including meal plans, shopping lists, budget breakdowns, and recipes will teach you to avoid common pitfalls, how to read labels and nutritional information, and which keto foods can be swapped and substituted for foods that are off limits. You might be surprised how many things like bread, pasta, cookies, and ice cream you can still enjoy if you just learn how to make them keto-friendly. It's not just eating the right foods, though. That is the foundation of the diet. You must also learn how much to eat, which brings us to our second point. A keto diet can help you to restrict your calorie intake in a slow and which leads to long-term weight loss. But it can be hard to do this if you're not carefully tracking what you eat. One way to figure out how much you should be eating on a keto diet is to check on your progress every few weeks and adjust accordingly. If you're not seeing finally, when you're starting out on a ketogenic diet, you must prepare for the keto flu when you first cut back on carbohydrates. Your body will experience some changes as it adjusts to your lifestyle. One possible change is the keto flu, an umbrella term for the flu-like symptoms you may encounter, like fatigue or mental fogginess. Usually, these symptoms only last a short while, but it is best to be prepared. You will need to drink more water, increase your sodium, potassium, and magnesium intake, and eat more fat, especially MCTs, most importantly. Check in with yourself from time to time to monitor the changes in your body composition and how you feel to be sure that the ketogenic diet is the right choice for you. For more information on keto, be sure to watch the other. Thank you for watching my video, Blissful Souls. Your support means the world to me. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Blissful Habits, hit that like button, leave a comment to share your thoughts or any requests for future content, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Together, we'll spread the joy of healthy living far and wide. Keep shining bright, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and until next time, stay blissful.